This is.
Yeah, this is definitely some kind of mechanic shop or something. Just handprints.
All over the place.
That's creepy.
Out.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we gotta get this first. Yeah, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah. Looks a little sketchy. The handrail, because my knees are fucked up.
It's ash red. Oh shit.
Definitely a shop, though.
For the bottom of my shoes are down.
I did. I ended the video, I'll cut it.
This is just a drop, but there was nothing here.
Oh god, I thought the floor buckled right there.
Dude, over here the whole floor is gone.
Oh.
Shit.
Well.
This was fun.
You gonna peek out over here? What?
Oh my gosh.
I'm alerted. I'm going downstairs.
That is crazy.
Those babies?
I don't know.
I keep forgetting this whole thing's butt underneath it. Yeah, it's whatever.
I don't care. Thanks for the heads up. So thanks for the heads up, though. That's a cop right there. That's two of them. We're just looking for places to take pictures at. Alright, I'm gonna get this video real quick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's nothing.